Well, welcome back to another FoodSaver demonstration here. Today we're going to be preserving our macaroni and cheese that I got on sale. This is about to expire, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Now I'm using the FoodSaver machine, but these bags are from a different company, and so far so good. I like them a lot, and sorry FoodSaver, but these guys are a lot cheaper. I'll put a link below. This is the quart size bag, but I'll show you what I was doing here. Is taking this like so, hopefully you can see that, and just open it up, smash it down like that. Slide it in all the way, and just pull it out like that. Now it's in there, good. And what we're going to do is, because a lot of this, because of my pain levels and various things, I'm doing this like say after a few beers. So we're using those scissors there so I don't hurt myself. Alrighty. And what we're going to do is take the instructions. That way anybody can use it later on, because after you've made this about 4 or 5 or 600 times, you know what the ingredients are. But just in case you haven't and somebody else makes it, they have the ingredients. Not to mention you have the date right there. Okay, we're going to put that in there like so. Alright, let's get the camera over here. Okay. Just stand it up nice and neat there. And the great part about this is these small bags actually fit into the dollar store. When I say dollar store, I mean like Dollar General, all those dollar places, 5 and dime, or whatever you want to call them. I call them all dollar store. Just kind of like in the South, we call it everything Coke. You want a Coke? What flavor? Yeah. I'll take a Pepsi. Okay, no problem. But see, this Easy Home accessories fits in there nice and neat. All you do is fold in the sides just a little bit. Like so. And that way you can store it and keep it for a long time. Because I believe these will be just fine, because oh, you know what I forgot to put in there? Oh, we need to put in a dry and dry. Right here. I'll put a link to these too down below. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, I can do both of those. I did the first one. I put the dry and dry in there, but not these other ones. Ah, knucklehead. Alright, well, we're going to see if these guys will reseal just by simply, that's a good test, cutting off the top here. And we will grab a dry and dry one, which is silica, right? Throw that in there. Shove that down a little more. Can we do that? Are we good? Crunch. Now, so far so good on these bags on the noodles, but what's wild is rice is not wild rice, but rice itself sometimes will puncture these bags. It's like, man, rice is some tough stuff when it's dry. All right, let's see. Oh, yeah, we went right across there. He is not going to seal. Yeah, I mean, it looked like it's sealed. But yeah, look at that. Now we'll just take this same thing, right? And we'll just shorten it just a bit. That'll suck in that hole, hopefully. Because even though I have a lot of these bags, right? Because I think 100 of these guys here. Where's the bag? $100 of these bags were like $10, $9.99. 100 of the quart-sized bags. Yeah, that is 1/10 of the price that I have paid in the past. That's all I'm saying. I'm not trying to endorse one over the other. It's just, I mean, really, $90 compared to $9. All right, now we got a seal right on top. Yeah, it's solid. That is good to go. Yabba yabba. All right. Okay, and that's how we're gonna do our macaroni and cheese there. Because, yeah, I mean, this was on sale and I got about 10, 12 boxes of it. I just didn't want to give up on it, even though it's already expired. This is September 2021. And this expired in May. We had some the other night, and I don't see any problem with it. I do not recommend do not ever eat anything that's out of date. Do what I say, not what I do. Yeah, because there's no telling what I'll do. Now, see, you can actually see right here. Wow, it looks like some of the orange of the yellow is actually seeping through the bag, so maybe that's the deal. Is the powder inside is probably fine, but the bag situation, yeah, there's something going on there. But we'll open this up about 6 months, make it, and if it makes it sick, then I'll let you guys know. Don't eat it past it. No, I always recommend do not eat anything that is expired. Right? Do not eat any. Once again, don't eat anything that's expired. Okay? All right. Well, we'll see you guys around the house. Actually, that was terrible. We'll see you around the house. We'll see you around the house.